Hello, my name is Kalina Ivanova. I'm a student in primary school Stoyan Mikhailovsky, Varna, Bulgaria. I would like to introduce to you our mascot, Pedja Човек. The tale is one of the oldest genres of verbal art. We children first explore literature through eating and learn the difference between right and wrong. An interesting character from the Bulgarian tales is Pedja Човек, Span Man. Sometimes in tales he causes mischief to the main character, eats his food or steals his bride. Sometimes he is a magical helper. He helps the main character to get rich or even helps him marry the princess. In the 80s, in Bulgaria appears Pedja Човек, Лакът Брада, Span Man, Cupid Beard, a very popular character from a TV show. The funny puppet with the voice of Slava Racheva tells bedtime stories to generations of Bulgarian children. His funny song is popular nowadays too.